put it in someone's freaking mailbox. Instead of an M1000 mailbox, the freaking big ass mortar.
Oh,
Boom! No mailbox.
I guess Carson bought a whole bunch of fireworks in Vegas. They got no like restrictions.
yeah, because it's Nevada. You do anything there.
This thing takes bomb videos, dude.
Dang.
Just wait till the grand finale. It's sick.
That looks pretty good on that phone.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
know. And that's from the side. We don't even got the good side.
Oh, that one sucks.
He's not going to it. He's not, oh,
Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
Ooh.
I like the hella loud ones. Those ones are sick.
Ah.
That one was big. Dude, that one was sick.
Bella, shut up.
That one was huge.
Dude, that
My arm's getting tired.
What if we just got hit with a big old chunk of freaking burning mortar? It'd actually be kind of cool. You'd be like, I got hit with a chunk of mortar.
Oh yeah, and then you're blown up. You're on fire.
They're gonna start the grand finale.
And that's got the hose spray.
What? Oh, it was so bright.
That was hella bright.
Dude, the dim one's like right there.
You hear the whole town go crazy? Yeah, I want one of those for a mailbox.
blow up the whole
Whole sidewalk.
Dude, me and Corey Schlitt did that with an M80 in this guy's mailbox. Because there's this like neighborhood right behind his house. It's like funny.
I see someone's alarm going off over there. See it?
That's something you don't say, Charlie.
What?
So when am I gonna meet your chick? Are you gonna bring her to the lake with you?
Dude,
Here we
last
go.
night
Here
I
we
had
go.
to cut Charlie's umbilical cord.
What?
Last night I had to cut Charlie's umbilical cord.
From what, his mom? That one was sweet. You stopped videotaping it.
No, I'm
the
still
best.
videotaping it.
Oh, alright.
I'm just not holding it up.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm videotaping it.
Get my balls and I can do that. My shoulder. Like fragile. That one was cool.
Shoulders up over the ledge.
I'm watching it from my phone.
Boom. Boom shakalaka.
Freaking Maestro.
That dude was the bomb, dude. We were out in New York and we had this guy, don't fall, dude. You're gonna be full.
I'm sick.
Bus driver?
Yeah, our bus driver out.
We had our own tour bus,
We
dude.
had our own tour bus and our own bus driver, and his name was Maestro. And he was so bomb. He was this big black dude. And he was like, gonna get a boom shakalaka. And everybody would do it. And he was this funny.
He took you to some ghetto place?
No, that was a different
That was a
guy.
different. We had to switch.
I want one of those.
Yeah.
She don't like that one to go.
That's hella sick.
Oh, it's coming to us!
Catches the whole tree on fire. I want that badass loud one again. Or the freaking, I want that one and the one that goes.
See, the fireworks were all like right there, like that. That'd be perfect.
Bella, calm down. We gotta take her to the shooting range and just like deafen her
Hey,
ears.
did you hear me?
What?
I was like, speed's probably,
Tripping
way more-
balls
That
right
was-
now.
That was so funny.
dude. He's so
You were like grabbing his arm and he's all, what are you doing?
surprised my grandparents brought me.
It's speed. You can't leave speed home.
They always leave.
He's cool.
Yeah, he's cool.
He means well.
Like, he's cooler than us when he's drunk. But like friends, he'll just start fighting.
Well, like when he threw his freaking lizard into the tree that time.
huge one?
Come down for 2 months.
Dude, the laser's over there on the tree.
Where?
Still doesn't hurt.
What?
I hope the studs don't come out.
Here we go.
The paint's coming off.
Wow, dude.
Wait.
Look, that one up to the top, like, was a little one.
Oh! Whoa, that was weird.
What? Oh, damn!
Oh. Dude, if there's a fire start,
Into the
I'm
plant.
filming it. What? What?
That's the one we need. Right there.
Do you hear the, do you hear the whole
Right there.
town? That was a peace sign. Did you see that?
Dude, it's on the road.
Oh my god, that ash just dropped.
That one, yeah, it fell on the dirt.
Now it's gonna get intense.
That one right there for a mailbox. At least it looks good. Or no, we need the peace sign one, like that, a big peace sign, where it's like.
Dude, I'm getting this whole thing. All our talking's in the background.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a bad idea coming up here.
Why?
So if one blows up right on top of us, and it's a huge one, it's all gonna come on top of us. And then we're like,
Here we
That
go.
one right there.
Look at the ashes, dude. That one was bright.
I'll text your girl and do it. You're like, oh baby. You know what I'm talking
Did you tell her?
What?
Did you tell her you got this?
I got what?
Girls.
Oh no, dude, I ain't telling her that. Her
Oh yeah,
birthday's
it's a,
coming up.
oh yeah.
Oh gosh, that's. I see what you're doing. I gotta get my crap on the thing so it doesn't hurt as bad.
Big on anniversary. The 11th is like our 4th.
You said you're gonna bring some Cool Whip?
I'm gonna take a cool one.
Oh, I thought you said I'm gonna bring some Cool Whip. Yeah, to your wife. Give me your
Cool Whip to my white woman.
yeah.
It's my fetish.
There's that laser.
It's like 3.
That's
Oh, here comes
one.
the grand finale.
Real?
Dude. Yeah. See how they pause? I knew they would pause.
Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Look.
Yeah! One of those right there, baby.
Check this video out, dude.
Small but lethal.
Don't tell me it's over. They gotta have more than that.
Woo! Yeah!
They always do.
Yeah! That was dope, dude.
That was hella sick.
Party's over.
What is that?
I bet you they'll light off some more.
Is that on my road?